Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You need to act now. Update the phone, install an AOD simulating app, and grant its display and battery permissions. Once done, choose a black background or minimal clock to reduce power draw because the A15 uses an LCD panel that can't true AOD. Make sure to exclude the app from battery optimization so the system won't stop it. Set the app to show only when you want, charging or always, and continue to the deeper configuration steps next. Now configure the app. Enable wake lock so the display stays on and pick low refresh or dim modes to save energy. Once configured, choose a black, low brightness clock face and restrict colors to 1 or 2 tones because that reduces backlight use. Make sure the app can display on the lock screen and enable any gesture or proximity options so it only shows when intended. Test the setup by locking the phone and observing behavior, then adjust the app's timing and brightness. Finish by scheduling when the simulated AOD runs. Limit it to daytime or charging sessions to avoid heavy battery drain. Once scheduled, lock your chosen layout and exclude the app from power optimizers so the system won't kill it. If you notice faster battery loss, lower brightness and shorten active hours. If the display suddenly stops appearing, recheck permissions, reinstall the app, or enable developer stay awake while charging for stability. This often reveals permission conflicts and gets the simulation running reliably again.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.